In this video, I will show you how to give an Uber Eats order to someone else. So if you want to send an Uber Eats as a gift to someone, what you can do is you can first find an order that you want to send. So for example, for this one, I'll just head over and then send them something like this from the dessert factory. And then for this one, I'll just add to cart what I want to send them. For example, I'll send them this molten chocolate cake. I just click on this plus icon in order to add this to my cart. So just choose everything that you want to add as well. Now, once it's already been done, just click on this view cart if you're done adding anything. And then you can see in here this option as send as gift. Click on this right here. And then just put in here who's this gift for as well as the recipient phone number. And you can also add a video that they should be able to watch once they receive it. So you can see in here the image of the card and you can save it right there. So that's how you give an Uber Eats order to someone else. Hope this video helped you out.